go again. Well, we got a beautiful day happening today. It's supposed to be like plus 11 today. Yesterday, it was just a blizzard out in the morning, so I was all busy plowing snow, and obviously I'm running out of room where to put all this snow. It's like this is the middle of March, and we just have been getting the crappiest weather. And then in the afternoon, it was pouring rain, so everything was slippery this morning. So this morning I had to go chop ice, and story of my life. But it is turning out to be a very nice day out today. So today I thought, well, I'm going to show you that ripping chain. Then you looked at my previous video and how to make your own ripping chain. Well, today's the day. I'm going to show you how well my ripping chain works, and I finally get to try out the saw that I purchased. Like I said, the weather's been terrible, so now I get to finally try my saw out. So I'm kind of anxious for that. So I'm going to get everything set up, and let's do make some lumber. All right, let's get a log set up on my stands and get it all ready to go. Get this all lined up. Like I said, I had so much snow or whatever, so I had to move everything. So now I got to get everything kind of back in place again, the way I had it. But of course, the ground's not going to be level or nothing. But we'll manage. Okay, we'll get this log up here. Boy, these are handy. I love these things. Okay, we'll get our log all straightened out here again. All right, is that straight? Let's see here. I just want to make it where it's, get it where it's nice and perfect. Now, I didn't cut this end very straight, but we'll manage. Let's see here. I think I'm gonna have no choice but to do it that way. That's okay, this is for a little demonstration anyway. Just not sure how I can do this. Plus the log is all wet. Actually, I'm gonna go that way. Be pretty good there. Okay, now it's just a matter of the setup, and let's try that saw out and the new ripping chain. Let's get this saw warmed up. Like I said before in my previous videos, always gotta warm up. Okay, let's see what our results are. Still, I think I gotta do some more fine tuning on that saw. It's just, you know, there's no way, because it's the fuel mixture. I know it's not. It's the saw itself. Once my brother-in-law Gordy comes or whatever, and then I'm gonna get him to fine tune that, because that guy knows everything to do with the Husqvarna. And I'm kind of a greenhorn when it comes to that, but I think I did not bad. Let's see what our log's gonna look like here. Set that off to the side for now. Okay, that looks like a nice, that's a nice cut there. Okay, the first time using a ripping chain, but I'm gonna bring the camera up closer so you guys can see yourself how well I did on that ripping chain. Okay, we'll just get this swept off here. Actually, I'm quite impressed with that ripping chain. Even the saw cut really good, like compared to my other saw. That more power of a saw or whatever, what a difference cut through this log. Like, it's just bread and butter. All right, I'm gonna get it up close here, whatever, so then you can see that they actually come out pretty darn good. Not that bad at all. Like, there's no, where it's crisscross or nothing like that. As long as you hold your saw straight, that come out really good. I'm impressed. Yeah, if you guys are impressed too, leave me something in the comments and see what you think. All right, maybe we'll do one more slab. We'll make another 2x4 or something. We'll make another slab and see how well she's gonna do. Okay, I had to do a little bit of adjusting on the sawmill itself, but it's all good. Now I got my sawmill adjusted to 2 inches. Now we're gonna go put it back on the log and get our 2-inch cut. All right. Okay, let's see what our results are. How our log turned out. Take these wedges out. Okay, we're just want to flip it over this way. There. Actually not bad at all. Sweep this all off. Okay, that turned out really good. Really good. I'm very impressed. Okay, we'll get you guys up close here and then you can see how well it cut again. Nice smooth board. I don't know like if you guys how well you guys can see that. But you see there's no ridges in it or nothing on that new ripping chain. See, it pays off just to make your own ripping chain. That turned out really good. I'm really impressed with that. It's a perfect 2-inch board. Now just a matter of doing the edging when I get a bunch of them. And I'll have some more 2x4s. So now you can see, build your own ripping chain. What a difference. You know, why spend all that money when you can just easily build your own like I showed you in my previous video, which I'm gonna put up right here. And if you enjoy this video, you're gonna enjoy that one too. Or even hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified every time I come out with a new video. So I'm gonna keep on milling and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now. You guys have one awesome weekend.